Okay.
You want to get these guys to talk about you and tell the story about why they bought your product, why they invested in you, and why they felt that having a custom cooler was the right thing for them to do. Right? It's so freaking cool. But the one thing that I see that it's lacking right now is your user generated content system, meaning getting people to make videos utilizing your product.
So every day, this is where, like with the engagement, I agree so strongly with Jonald's assessment that my content's great. I post 9 times a day. I have all these great images, but I'm not getting the engagement. And the engagement we get every single day, I get these non-solicited, Manuel. These people text me these images every day on my phone, because when we are so hands-on with everything we do, these are all custom wraps. So these people have reached out and said, hey, can you make something for me? And yeah, sure. And so they know us. And they send these pictures. So I think it would be very easy to take your advice and just pivot and say, hey, instead of sending a picture, text me a video, and then use that instead. Would that be your advice?
Yes, it would be my advice. If you can get video content, that is 100% more important and powerful for you and your brand. So if you can get that content, then that gallery becomes that much more valuable, because you can also use that for your YouTube channel, for your content across social media channels. And that becomes like your number one asset when the time comes that you're going to run some advertising again.
Okay.
That would be great. Now, this is amazing. This is really cool. This is not something that you should be ignoring, for sure. This is absolutely
this is
amazing.
where I know the engagement's there, because if they're willing to do this, then these are customers that care about what they've got. They're excited about it. They appreciate our brand. They want to reach back out and say thank you. So I know it's there. It's just me getting it done in such a way that I can repurpose it on social media, or maybe I was telling Jonald in a Loom video that maybe rather than saying, hey, send us your pictures, make sure I give them clear instructions, post your pictures and tag us, and, have that be kind of more of the focus rather than send it to us and we'll put it up on our customer page.
This guy right here. All right. This is so awesome. And the fact that he has fish outside and your cooler, can we please capture that on video?
Okay.
Right. It would be such an incredible content strategy right there.
Okay.
And you can, this could be an ad or a post or your organic content.
Right.
This cooler, this video was given to us by one of our amazing customers, and we got his Yeti cooler, custom made with and look at what he's doing with it. It's so amazing. We're so happy to have you as our client. Okay. Something like that. That could be something that you boost and eventually try to get some revenue with that one. So I want to get these stories. I can see this guy and I can feel there's a story there.
Right.
And that's what I want. Right now, I just see an image and I have to imagine the story.
Right.
But there's a story here. Why did he put together the cooler? What is he doing? I mean, there's something called an ambassador program that you can actually have as part of your current flow lines. You should definitely create an email that invites people to participate, and then they can even win a free custom thing.
Right. Oh yeah, I could do a content giveaway.
You can do a giveaway and be like, all you got to do is submit a video showing how to use it, telling me the story about why you got it, and you're going to get your own custom cooler for whoever you want to send it to as a gift or whatever. All right. That could be, even if you get, how many sales are you getting a day right now? How many sales total?
I mean, it depends on the day. I don't know. Right now it's slow. So 10 to 20.
Okay. Let's say that you get one video out of every 100 people that buy a product.
Yeah.
You're going to get a new, fresh piece of content every 10 days.
Right.
That is absolute gold right there.
Right.
And I will do everything in my power to try to get these people to become your ambassadors. Okay. You want to get these guys to talk about you and tell the story about why they bought your product, why they invested in you, and why they felt that having a custom cooler was the right thing for them to do. Right? It's so freaking cool. Laura, this is the only thing that you would do on your ads. You're not going to, people believe what other people say.
Right.
They don't believe you and your brand. All right. If you put a picture of you at USA Tough, we can help you. It's not good enough. All right. But if you use that content to run ads, that is fire. So this will be your top of the funnel strategy or your bottom of the funnel strategy to go straight to the consumer, because they get to see it firsthand how the end product looks.